All right, y'all, I got a leaking ass disposal here that I'm going to replace because if you want to get shit done, you just got to do it yourself. And this is going to save me about $200 in labor right here. So I already got everything disconnected. Power breaker is off. I am just going to take these screws out, this out, and yeah, I don't know. I watched a YouTube video on this shit, so let's just hope I can do this shit. Here is the new one. I got my putty. Yeah, I'm gonna have to attach the cord here. So this is the new one right here. I got that set aside. All right, that was easy. All I did was twist this off. So I got that done. And because that's all rusted, I'm gonna take that out and replace that as well. Ew, so gross. Anyways, this is the power I need to take out. So, because I need to attach this power cord to the other one. Okay, I got the cord out. I had to cut this one off, the grounding wire right here. So I don't know, I could not get it off. So I just ended up cutting it. So now I have these two right here. And I am going to strip this green one back a little bit so I can fit it underneath this screw right here and connect these to here. Okay, I got my grounding wire with the screw in right here, and then I got these attached with the caps back on. Now I'm going to tuck this stuff back in here. All right, I got my grounding wire underneath the screw. I got these, the black and the white wire with the caps back on. Now I'm going to put the plate back on here, just like so. So here is the new one. I got the little gasket off, so I got this one ready to go. I got the screws off of here. I just got to get that little gasket off so I can pull this out. Okay, so I finally got this gasket. This is what you need to pull off right here. Just like this. If you oh, just like that with the screwdriver, and then everything will come out, and then you can pop this out. Man, that's just so old. Oh my God. Then this will come right out, and I'll put the new one in. Okay, I rolled out some plumber's putty, and I made a little roll, and I put it around, and I'm just gonna stick this in here, just like this, and squish it down, just like that. And then I'm going to take up all of this right here. I'm going to squish it down some more. I'm going to put the camera down so I can push it down as far as I can. And then I'm going to get this excess off. All right, just like so. I got all the putty, the extra putty. I got it down in there. Now, I am going to install this from the bottom. So in this order, I'm going to put this, this, and this. Just like that. That piece, that, right here, piece, hold it like that, and then you got your ring right here, you're gonna set around here. Alright, a little tricky getting this little gasket on, but you have to get it in that groove right there in order for this to stay up. But I got that in there, so now I'm just going to put these screws in. Alright, got my screws all in. Now all I got to do is attach the disposal. If you're hooking it to a dishwasher, make sure you knock out this plug right here. I'm just going to put a screwdriver in there and knock it out with a hammer. Alright, just like so. Now it's ready to be installed. Got it in. Got it all connected at the top. Now I'm just going back and I'm just going to reconnect the pipe here and put in my screws, and then I'm going to connect the dishwasher right here. All right, moment of truth. Got it plugged in, the breaker's back on, everything is hooked together. Let's turn the water on. All right, garbage disposal's working. Make sure there's no leaks. No leaks. Absolutely fabulous. All right, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, follow, comment, and let me know what you'd like to see next.